North-facing windows often receive gentle, indirect light, making them perfect for many beautiful low-light houseplants. From lush ferns to colorful foliage plants, the right selection can brighten your indoor space while thriving with minimal sunlight. These plants add freshness, texture, and a calming natural feel to bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. Let's explore the best indoor plants for north-facing windows. Prayer plant, Maranta leuconeura, is admired for its beautifully patterned leaves that look hand-painted with shades of green, red, and cream. Its foliage gently folds upward in the evening, resembling hands in prayer, which gives the plant its popular name. This tropical beauty thrives in bright to moderate indirect light, making it an excellent choice for north-facing windows. Prayer plants enjoy slightly moist soil and higher humidity, rewarding proper care with vibrant foliage and steady growth. Their compact size makes them perfect for shelves, desks, and tabletops, adding a soft, exotic touch and lively character to indoor spaces. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltate, is a timeless indoor plant loved for its graceful arching fronds and lush green appearance. Its soft, feathery foliage instantly adds freshness and a relaxing natural vibe to interiors. This fern grows well in north-facing windows where it receives gentle indirect light without harsh sun exposure. Boston ferns prefer consistently moist soil and higher humidity, making them ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or cozy living spaces. With proper care, they become full and cascading, beautifully softening shelves, hanging baskets, or plant corners. Their elegant texture creates a calming atmosphere while bringing classic tropical charm indoors. Calathea, Goepersia makoyana, often called the peacock plant, stands out with its striking leaf patterns that resemble delicate artwork. Its light green foliage is decorated with dark feather-like markings and rich purple undersides, creating a dramatic tropical look indoors. This plant prefers low to medium indirect light, making north-facing windows an ideal location. Calatheas enjoy warmth, humidity, and evenly moist soil to keep their foliage vibrant and healthy. Their elegant leaves move slightly throughout the day in response to light, adding life and movement to indoor spaces. It's a perfect statement plant for modern and cozy interiors alike. Rake's begonia or Begonia rake's is a stunning foliage plant known for its bold colors, swirling patterns, and uniquely textured leaves. Shades of silver, purple, pink, green, and deep burgundy create an eye-catching display that instantly brightens indoor spaces. Unlike many houseplants grown for flowers, Rake's begonia is prized mainly for its dramatic ornamental foliage. It grows best in bright indirect light and adapts well to north-facing windows with gentle sunlight. This plant prefers slightly moist soil and moderate humidity to maintain its vibrant appearance. Compact yet striking, Rake's begonia adds an artistic and luxurious touch to shelves, desks, and plant collections. Aluminum plant, Pilia cadierae, brings a fresh and lively look indoors with its shiny green leaves marked by metallic silver patterns. The reflective patches almost appear painted onto the foliage, giving the plant a unique decorative appeal. It stays compact and bushy, making it a great option for small spaces, tabletops, or indoor plant arrangements. This plant performs well in soft indirect light, especially near north-facing windows where the leaves remain vibrant without scorching. Regular watering and moderate humidity help it maintain healthy growth. Its bright foliage and easygoing nature make it an attractive choice for adding texture and contrast indoors. Sateen pothos, Scindapsus pictus, is a trailing houseplant admired for its velvety green leaves dusted with silvery markings. The soft shimmer on the foliage gives the plant an elegant, almost sateen-like appearance that stands out in any indoor setting. Its vines gracefully spill from shelves and hanging planters, creating a relaxed tropical feel indoors. Sateen pothos adapts beautifully to low and medium indirect light, making north-facing windows a suitable growing spot. It is relatively low maintenance and tolerates occasional mist watering better than many tropical plants. This stylish climber adds softness, movement, and modern greenery to indoor spaces. Heartleaf Philodendron. Philodendron hedraceum. It creates a beautiful flowing display with its long trailing vines and rich green heart-shaped leaves. Its elegant growth habit makes it ideal for hanging planters, floating shelves, or indoor corners that need a touch of greenery. This tropical plant grows comfortably in gentle indirect light and performs especially well near north-facing windows. It is highly adaptable and continues growing steadily even in lower light conditions. With occasional watering and basic care, the plant stays lush and vibrant throughout the year. Its graceful appearance adds softness, depth, and a relaxing natural charm to modern indoor spaces. Arrowhead plant. Syngonium podophyllum. It brings a bright and refreshing look indoors with its beautifully shaped green leaves and compact bushy growth. Its foliage has a naturally elegant appearance that makes the plant stand out on shelves, desks, and indoor plant corners. This plant adapts easily to lower light conditions and grows especially well near north-facing windows with soft indirect sunlight. With time, its stems begin to spread gracefully, creating a fuller tropical display. Arrowhead plant requires simple care and steady watering to stay healthy and vibrant. Its rich greenery adds depth, texture, and natural charm to any indoor setting. Flamingo flower. Anthurium andrinum. It adds a bold splash of color indoors with its glossy heart-shaped leaves and long-lasting vibrant blooms. Its bright red, pink, or white flowers create a striking contrast against the deep green foliage, making the plant an elegant decorative choice. This tropical plant grows well in bright indirect light and adapts comfortably to north-facing windows with gentle sunlight. Flamingo flower enjoys warmth, moderate humidity, and lightly moist soil for continuous healthy growth. Its compact form makes it ideal for tabletops, shelves, and indoor plant displays. The plant brings a fresh tropical atmosphere and a sophisticated touch to living spaces. Dump cane. Dieffenbachia segae. It stands out indoors with its oversized decorative leaves and beautifully blended patterns of green and cream. Its upright growth gives the plant a bold presence, making it an excellent choice for filling empty corners or creating a tropical indoor display. This plant performs best in soft filtered light and adapts comfortably to north-facing windows without needing direct sun. The foliage remains lush and vibrant with regular watering and stable indoor temperatures. Dump cane grows quickly under proper conditions and creates a rich layered look indoors. Its dramatic leaves bring freshness, volume, and a stylish tropical character to interior spaces. Nerve plant. Fittonia albivenes. Is a small yet eye-catching houseplant admired for its colorful veined foliage and compact growth. Its deep green leaves are decorated with bright white, pink, or red veins that create a beautifully detailed appearance. This moisture-loving plant thrives in low to medium indirect light, making north-facing windows an ideal spot for healthy growth. Nerve plant enjoys humid conditions and stays vibrant when the soil remains slightly moist. Its compact size makes it perfect for terrariums, desktops, shelves, and small decorative planters. The plant adds texture, color, and a lively tropical accent to indoor spaces. Baby rubber plant. Peperomia obtusifolia. Is a compact indoor plant valued for its thick glossy leaves and neat bushy growth. Its smooth green foliage stores moisture, helping the plant tolerate occasional mist watering with ease. This low-maintenance plant grows comfortably in bright to moderate indirect light and adapts well to north-facing windows. The sturdy leaves give it a clean and modern appearance that works beautifully in small spaces, desks, and indoor shelves. Baby rubber plant remains attractive throughout the year with minimal care and steady indoor conditions. Its fresh green foliage adds a calm, polished, and refreshing touch to interiors.